Good morning, guys. I have just made my matcha, and I'm gonna do a little journaling as I do or try to do every single morning, and probably just write out what I need to get done today in my little planner. I don't know if I've shown this before, but this is a CDG London planner, and I love it because, like, I'll show you the layout. They basically, here you can write like today, everything you need to do. I love that you get to write a little quote on the top, kind of just like sets your day right, like just setting an intention. And then here you can actually track what you ate that day, and then your shopping list as well. And this is really important, your expenses. So then over like whatever, like a span of a few months, you can actually see how much you're spending if you're being honest. And then here you can write down your daily exercise, how much water you have consumed, and what you're going to do for self-care, which I also absolutely love about this journal. Because here you like actually you can hold yourself accountable to do whatever it is to make yourself feel good again. And I feel like when you write something down, you're more likely to do it. At least that is for me. And then personal notes. So yeah, I absolutely love this journal, and mine just says getting stuff done. I got it in black, and it's by CDG London. So yeah, I'm gonna journal a little bit. As you can see, it's a kind of cloudy day today. The snow has finally melted away, and yeah, at least I won't be slipping around every time I go to the store. And I think today is honestly just going to be a chill uni day with me. I have one lecture, and after that, I'm gonna just probably catch up on some readings and then make it a chill one in the evening. We'll see. Keep that open. So yeah, let's begin. Hi guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. I've just been pretty busy with classes and lectures all day, so once I get my schedule kind of finalized, I will be posting a video soon. But yeah, uni work comes first, so I'm gonna give my best and keep you guys posted. And I hope you guys are all doing well and staying healthy. Bye. Alright, so I just did a little unboxing from some products I got from Douglas, which is kind of like it's kind of like a Sephora, but it has a bunch of beauty products, makeup, skincare, everything. It's really awesome. And I just had to reorder some of the stuff that I'm currently using, which is Peter Thomas Roth, this anti-aging cleansing gel. Yeah, I've been using this for probably 2 years now, and I just love it. I implement it in my skincare routine all the time. And now I'm going to try this little toner by Dr. Hauschka. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have used this before, and if it works for you. With toners, like I normally try to do a very natural one, and for sensitive skin. So I don't know. I ended up getting this one just because it was one of the top top reviewed toners on Douglas. So I'm gonna give this one a try, and I'll let you guys know in like, you know, 2 months just to see how it's going. Kind of curious to see what the actual bottle looks like. I accidentally ordered 2 of them, I guess, because, yeah, I don't know how that happened. Oh well. And this is the little bottle for it. I think it's actually kind of nice. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this toner goes. Some of the ingredients in here they were saying were very like natural. I think chamomile and yeah, I don't know the rest of the ingredients, but it said it was pretty natural, so I'm hoping that it's going to be okay for my skin. And then I'm also going to try this new Dior Backstage Face and I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a primer, basically. I usually get the Fenty Beauty matte hydration primer, and I love it, but I honestly couldn't order it here. They didn't have a Sephora, and I couldn't order it from France or Germany for some reason. So I'm gonna try this Dior primer. I've heard really good things, and I'll let you guys know as well. Oh, my mom's calling me. Back with the unboxing. And also, yeah, I reordered some mascara by Lancome, and it's the Definisil. My absolute favorite. I've been using this for 4 years now. And lastly, I reordered my highlighter, and it is by Benefit. And it comes in this little tube like this, and it has little, like a foamy brush on one end. And on the other end is the actual stick, basically. Yeah, so it looks like this. And it's not a powdered one, it's kind of like a creamy texture, and I personally really like when highlighters are more liquidy. I just think it fuses in with the skin very naturally, and I just personally like cream highlighters on me, because I don't know if you've ever seen just like too much highlight in real time, like it just looks like, I feel like a little bit too much. So this was my little order from Douglas, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the new skincare I got. All right, I'm gonna go FaceTime with my mom, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm coming to you from my balcony because I finally get to use it since it's neither snowing or raining. And it's at least, I think, 53 degrees, so it means I can actually enjoy this beautiful view. Yeah, I was just thinking, honestly, and feeling so incredibly grateful to be here. I think moments like this, when I just can wind down from university and just take in everything around me, I feel more like I'm in a different country in a way. And I think that's partly because, like, I've never really lived in an environment where, like, the balcony was just overlooking everything and is so close to, like, bakeries, and I don't know, it just has so much life to it, and I've always wanted that. I get to people watch here, and even if I am staying home, I still feel like I'm connected to the world around me, just, I don't know, by hearing little motorbikes go by, or people biking or running, picking up groceries. Like, I don't know if you know what I mean by that, but I don't know, I just feel grateful to be here, and it's been a long day, so I think I'm either going to order ramen, or because I've been really craving it, or I'm going to cook a stir fry. But the thing is, like, I'm eating that so often, like, I honestly kind of just, like, don't feel like it, but also gotta save money, so I don't know, I'm gonna play it by ear. I'm gonna finish my a glass of wine, then I'll make some moves, and then I think tonight I'm just gonna watch a K-drama, and it just sounds like a perfect Friday night for me, to be honest. So yeah, let's go. just finished working out, and I just did a video on YouTube, and usually it's between like 30 to 40 minutes. That'll do it for me. So yeah, I'm feeling super good and energized. Before I was feeling so tired, but honestly, like even when I'm tired and I just like kind of make myself do a workout, more often than not, I always feel like much better afterwards. So I just did a workout, and now I think because I'm still sweaty, I'm going to clean my apartment and yeah, just kind of organize my closet a little bit more. I don't know if anyone else does this, but sometimes I let it get a little bit messy on purpose, and that's just because I find it really therapeutic to clean. So I'm gonna get started on that. So let's go. Hi guys, so I finally got my package, and it's from this local jewelry boutique, and it's called, I think it's called I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's called By New, or it's By Nuke, but I will leave a link below. But yeah, I discovered this like company, and they have the cutest like little earring sets, and it's great if you have multiple piercings. I only have one actually right now because my other one closed, but it's perfect if you have like a huge set. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm so bad at opening things, like just, yeah, you'll see. But this is a little packaging it comes in. And yeah, see, it's called By Nuke. And oh, this is very, very adorable. It's so cute. The style that I got. So this is the knotted ones. I'm gonna put these ones in. And then I also got a tiny like little cuff, which is also amazing if you don't have like a piercing there, you can get away with having one. I ordered this as well, which is so cute. And it's like this little pearl cuff, and I think I'm gonna put it like, yeah, I'll put it like right here. Hi you guys, I just took a shower and I'm feeling so good. I finally got to clean the apartment and did some laundry that I've been trying to do all week, did dishes, so I think at this point I can relax. I think pour myself a glass of wine, and the weather is just absolutely beautiful, and I think I'm gonna enjoy some wine on the balcony, maybe do a little people watching as usual. And then maybe take an evening walk. So yeah, I think that's the move. Good evening, you guys. I'm just sitting here on my balcony. I brought my nightstand out as a little table and just my little office chair. I have my book that I've been honestly just finally being able to catch up on. It's called Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, and I highly, highly recommend this. It's a great book for changing your perspective. So yeah, absolutely recommend this one. And honestly, like, I'm just feeling very grateful to be here and finally getting to enjoy my balcony and where I live. So yeah, I hope you guys are also enjoying your weekend from wherever you are watching this, and I'll hear you guys later. Rice is absolutely my desert island food. I can't live without it. I eat it probably six out of 7 days of the week. So yeah, fun fact. And then I have some gyozas from last night that I ordered from Takumi, but I honestly couldn't finish them because the ramen was just so filling. So I'm gonna heat these up in the microwave, so it'll be like a little appetizer before dinner. It's official when the sesame seeds go on top. Alright you guys, I'm gonna take the gyoza out of the oven and dinner is served. Alright you guys, I'm closing in on the winter. The wind blows. It's getting really crazy, and I don't think I'm prepared for the end of this show. Wow, I think my mom finished it without me because it says they're all watched already. Okay, Mom. Anyway, so yeah, highly recommend this K-drama. It's really, really good.